Hook, have you ever wondered if Newton, that popular crypto investment platform, requires you to prove your identity? It's a question that many people ask, especially those who value their privacy. So, let's dive in and find out. Building context. Before we get to the main question, let's talk a bit about what KYC means. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a process that businesses use to verify the identity of their customers. This can include things like providing identification documents, proof of address, and even undergoing face verification. Why KYC matters? Now, why is KYC so important? Well, it's primarily for security and compliance reasons. By verifying your identity, platforms like Newton can help prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illegal activities. It also helps them comply with various regulations and laws. Newton's approach. So, does Newton require KYC? Well, the answer is, it depends. It depends on a few factors, including your location and the level of activity you're engaging in on the platform. Scenario 1, Basic Account. If you're a resident of a country that doesn't have strict KYC requirements and you're just starting out on Newton, you might be able to create a basic account without providing any personal information. This allows you to explore the platform and learn about cryptocurrencies without revealing your identity. Scenario 2, Depositing funds. However, if you want to deposit funds into your Newton account, things get a bit more complicated. In most cases, you'll need to provide some form of identification to verify your identity. This is to prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. Scenario 3, High-value transactions. For high-value transactions, or if you're engaging in activities that are considered high-risk, Newton may require more stringent KYC checks. This could involve providing additional documents or undergoing face verification. Privacy concerns. Now, I know what you're thinking. If Newton requires KYC, doesn't that compromise your privacy? Well, it's a valid concern. Many people value their privacy and don't want to share their personal information with third parties. Newton's security measures. However, Newton takes privacy seriously. They have implemented various security measures to protect your data. This includes using encryption to secure your personal information and following industry best practices for data protection. Alternative platforms. If you're still concerned about privacy, there are some alternative crypto platforms that don't require KYC. However, these platforms may have limitations, such as fewer features or higher fees. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, does Newton require KYC? The answer is yes, in most cases. However, the level of KYC required will depend on your location and the nature of your activities on the platform. If you're concerned about privacy, you can explore alternative platforms or consider the trade-offs between privacy and security. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Newton or other crypto platforms, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.